Okay, so on this example, I'm going to go over finding the area and perimeter of composite figures. What is a composite figure? That's pretty much when you have more than one figure connected and then they create this different shape. One example is here, this one we have a triangle connected with a rectangle, and it's kind of forming like a house type of shape. Okay, so let's begin with the area. So remember, for the area, we are looking for pretty much the inside, right? So we're looking for the square inches inside of the rectangle and the square inches inside of the triangle. Okay, so to find the area of a composite figure, you want to find the area of each figure separately and then you add both of them. So I'm going to write the total area. It's going to be the area of the triangle, so I'm going to put A and then a triangle plus the area of the rectangle. Okay, so let's begin with the area of the triangle. We have, for the area of the triangle, we know the formula. It's 1/2 times the base times the height. Now in this case, our base, it's pretty much this right here, which is gonna have the same measurement as the length of the rectangle, which is 24 inches. So the base of the triangle equals 24 inches. So we're gonna have 1/2 times 24, and then times the height. The height, we know it's going to be from the base of the triangle to the tip of the triangle, so this is 5 inches. So we're going to have 1/2 times 24 times 5. Now from order of operations, we know that when we have more than one multiplication and division together, we go from left to right. So first I'm going to go ahead and do 1/2 of 24. Now that is 24 divided by 2 equals 12. And then I bring down the 5. 12 times 5, it's going to give us 60 and then inches square. Okay, now let's go ahead and find the area of the rectangle. Now we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. In this case, the length of the rectangle, it's 24, and then the width will be 10 inches. So the area will be 24 times 10, which is 240 inches square. And that is the area of the rectangle, a lot simpler than the area of the triangle. Now when we want to find the total area, we just go ahead and add those two. So the total area of the composite figure, it's going to be 60 inches square plus 240 inches square, and this is going to give us 300 inches square. And that is the area of the figure. Now let's go ahead and find the perimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this right here, just to make it easier for you to look at the distance that it's around the whole figure. So again, perimeter, let's remember it's the distance around the figures. So here the perimeter is the distance around the entire composite figure. So when we're talking about that, we are looking at this is the distance around. So the 24, we're looking at the 10, we're looking at this side of the triangle, we're looking at this other side, and we're looking at the 10. So kind of like the surrounding parts or sides of the composite figure. So that is what the perimeter is. So all we need to do is go ahead and add all of those values. So P equals 24 inches plus 10 plus 13 plus 13, and then plus another 10. So P equals 24 plus 10, that'll be 34. And then plus 13 plus 13 plus 10. So P equals 34 plus 13, that is going to give us 47. So I'm going to be adding one by one. You can go ahead and use a calculator and add all of them together in just one single step. I don't mind if you do that, as long as you write all the numbers that have to be added in the perimeter. So here 47 plus 13, it's going to be 60, and then plus 10, so this is going to be 70. So it's 70 inches for the perimeter. And that's how we find the area and perimeter of a composite figure.